The OnePlus 12R is set to launch on 23rd January 2024. Watch till the end to know the complete details. The OnePlus 12R could be one of those rare Android smartphones with excellent battery life, mainly because of two reasons. The OnePlus 12R will feature a 5500 mAh battery, which is the biggest battery ever introduced in a OnePlus smartphone. It will also get the brand's SuperVOOC fast charging along with new battery health engine technology. Because of this technology, the OnePlus 12R's battery will degrade much slower than ever. The new LTPO 4.0 display will allow dynamic refresh rate adjustment for a wider range, including the new 72Hz and 90Hz option. The display is all set to feature excellent colors and brightness because of the added ProXDR tech. Moreover, other possible 12-hour specs include a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, a 6.78-inch display, and new color options. With all these features, the OnePlus 12R is all set to release alongside with OnePlus 12 on 23rd January 2024. Are you excited about the OnePlus 12 series launch? Let me know in the comments below. Until then, this is Neha Singh and I'll see you in the next one.